Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain tech to make your digital asset management a breeze. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to send BNB from Arculus Wallet to Tangem Wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving faster than ever, knowing how to transfer assets securely is crucial for protecting your investments and maximizing efficiency. Whether you're diversifying your holdings or just switching wallets, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring BNB like a pro in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both the Arculus Wallet and Tangem Wallet apps updated to their 2025 versions. These updates often include enhanced security features like biometric authentication and improved transaction speeds, so double-check that in your app settings. Once you're good to go, open your Arculus Wallet app and navigate to the dashboard. Here, locate your BNB balance. It's usually front and center under your asset list. Next, tap on the BNB asset to select it, then hit the Send or Transfer button. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. This is where your Tangem wallet comes in. Open the Tangem app, go to your wallet details, and copy the BNB compatible address. Paste that into the Arculus Send field, and don't forget to double-check for any typos, as that could send your funds into the void. Now, enter the amount of BNB you want to transfer. Remember to account for network fees, which in 2025 might be dynamically adjusted based on blockchain congestion. Aim for a medium speed to balance cost and time. Review the transaction summary, including the total amount and estimated confirmation time, then confirm with your wallet's security PIN or biometric scan. Once submitted, keep an eye on the transaction status in your Arculus app. It should show as pending before finalizing on the blockchain. Head over to your Tangem wallet to verify the receipt. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network traffic. Pro tip: use a blockchain explorer like BSC Scan to track your transaction in real time for added peace of mind. And there you have it. You've successfully sent BNB from Arculus to Tangem. Always prioritize security by using hardware wallets and enabling two-factor authentication. If you run into any issues, check the official support forums or drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next one.